guys, today we're going to be doing an apple clock experiment. This requires 2 apples and also this apple clock set with the instruction manual. This was from Green Science, and hope you enjoy this video. So this kind of text you see here, it says, what? No batteries? Be a scientist as you discover how to power this digital clock using apples. Experiment to find out. Wait, fond? They say fond. Oh, they did a spelling mistake. Wait, is it experiment to fond? I think it's a word. Yeah, fond. Yeah. Experiment to find out what other substances will power the clock. You'll be amazed. Yeah, I'm kind of convinced with this apple clock. So let's dig in deep. So here, oops. Okay, let's just get started. We have these, yeah, I think I recognize this metal, the steel metal. This is zinc. These 2 steel strips, zinc, and then don't think this is gold, really. If I were to buy gold, it would be so costly, really. This would have been gold too, or silver. Okay, this is copper. I'm victory. Yeah, victory. Yeah, anyways, we have the clock. I kind of see this as tiny, very tiny. Hey, they're cheating me. They have batteries. Nah, they're not batteries. Yeah, just kidding. They're really not batteries. It's just a steel bar. Shh, I'm playing a video game. Wait, what was that noise? Yeah, really. Someone was playing that noise. Yeah, anyways. Here we got a long red wire. This is a positive wire because it's red, while all the other colors are negative. We got 2 apples. It's actually not included. You need to buy apples or lemon, orange. What else? Oh, and for these cups, you need to put seawater. You need to go to the beach for that. Or you could just do salt water. You can do lemon juice. You can do juices, fruit juice. Anything that contains salt, because the salt is the one that makes electricity. So let me tell you the thing that makes electricity. Electricity is formed when these apples, which have salt water inside. Really, I think this one is what do you call that? Yeah, hollow. Yeah, and it's made with this salt, and yeah, the salt. Then once the zinc and copper are inserted, that goes from the strips past these wires to the clock, which makes electricity. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna take these out for this. Bye. Yeah, we got our manual. Yeah, here. So it says contents: digital clock with wires, connecting wire, transparent stickers, oh, transparent tapes, pots. Wait, these are actually cups. Not those cups, it's the cup. Copper and zinc strips. Yes, I knew it was zinc. I didn't knew it. I actually know it was zinc. And then instruction manual, which I'm holding right now. Okay, making apple clock. Assembly, blah, 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 blah. Carefully hover. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, so what they've told, take the, just take, put this aside for later. Now let's get on to these. Take a zinc and copper wire strip. Now you see this wire. You see this kind of metal, the copper. They've added copper because then the copper makes electricity or any other good conductors of electricity. Bad conductors like wood, plastic, what else? Yeah, etc., etc. So let's just... Yeah, also rubber. I think that's why they've put this in kind of a plastic or rubber coat. Yeah, so let's get on. Take these two strips. See the hole? Right here. On the strip, you just take that kind of steel thing and then just wrap it around the strip. Steel wire. Yeah. Wrap around. And it's nice and secure. Now next, this. Take the zinc wire, or strip, and wrap it around. Nice. Yeah, done. Now, take these two apples we put aside earlier. Yeah, sorry, just take them back. That was just a joke. Now take these two copper wires. No, a copper and a zinc wire. Take one of this clock wires. Do you see this clock? Take any old clock wire, and then just put it in the same hole we did earlier on. Yeah, just put it like that and done. Now the next. Put it inside. Yeah, done. Take these apples. It's not a joke. Just take them. Take the apples. Now, insert this one, the zinc, into the apples. Put them, and then put this one inside. Ah, they're actually going in. Now, remember, the current doesn't pass, or you should not put these on the same. For example, you should not put copper with copper. You should put it with the opposite, zinc. So here I go. You should put copper with zinc. I'm putting it in. And now you should put zinc with copper. Wait, I think it's going to work. Ooh, the wires took off. Oh, 1 sec. Yeah. Done. Now, let's see if our clock... OMG, our clock is working. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Wait, it's 12 o'clock? Wait, what's happening? Is something wrong? Oh, it's this. Yeah. Can you see? It's working. I'm just gonna take this wire. If it's really, yeah, it's working. Yeah, really. Put it back. And see, if you see the copper kind of wire, it's not the strip, it's the wire in this rubber or plastic wire should be connected with the strip. So then the electricity will pass. And here you got a full function working clock. Yeah, it's actually, it's 5 o'clock now. And it's showing very early, 12 o'clock. I don't know if it's showing 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. I'm just telling 12 p.m. means midday, and then 12 a.m. means midnight. Yeah, so don't get confused. Yeah, and last but not least, I bought this set from Amazon. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I also got a thing for you. You're thinking, why aren't we using these plastic cups? That's because we aren't using water, salt water, or any other liquid substances or cheap substances. Because it says here, you see the diagram? It says, put some soft drink into the pots provided. Insert the copper and zinc plates into the pot, as shown in the diagram, taking care that the metal plates do not touch each other. The clock should now start working. You may experiment with different liquids like salt water, fruit juices, or fruit like lemon, oranges, tomato, etc. The fun is unlimited. Yeah, Froda. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. I got some transparent tape. Oh, I think they use this transparent tape and then take these copper wires, and if they're using the liquid, they just stick it onto the sides. So then they won't touch. Yeah, I think it's that. Yeah, really, why wouldn't they give it for a reason? Yeah, so I think this tape would be for good use. And see you next time. Bye, guys. And like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more notifications so you won't miss any of our fun experiments on Boo! Really, that's not our channel. So, bye guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed our videos.